Did you know that the popular belief that your heart stops for a millisecond when you sneeze is actually a myth? There is no scientific evidence to support this claim, and it is likely that the origin of this myth is rooted in superstition rather than fact. The practice of saying, "bless you," or "God bless you," after someone sneezes has been around for centuries and is thought to have originated in ancient times. During the bubonic plague, sneezing was a symptom of the disease, and people would say, "God bless you," as a way of wishing good health and warding off evil spirits. In other cultures, such as in ancient Greece and Rome, people believed that sneezing could expel evil spirits from the body.